I don't know how you hit it. Yes.
So now you were a firefighter at the job, but you still are probably, right? Now, did you have any idea that there was an entire crowd of people with about 15 cameras and a bullhorn waiting outside your door this morning? Right now you're live on Good Morning America, so you're getting two shows in one. Now, so many of your friends and family lost their homes, and there were lives lost here as well. So, as happy as this moment is, it's been a difficult 5 months for you guys. Can you just kind of let everybody at home know what it's been like in this community?
You're right, it's been incredibly difficult. 5 months, and yet we've all come together.
We have a couple of mics to take a look at. That's like one of the boys.
People didn't expect to see kind of like this. You show up and just start something. And that's happened over and over and over. So it has been real painful.
Well, I'll tell you, one of the things you and I were talking about before, this is exactly what television should be doing. What shows like yours and ours should be doing, and I'm so glad that we're doing it together. Now, tell me a little bit about the other families involved here as well, because there's like 7 of you. I am so glad we're a part of this, and one of the things they're going to do is launch a weather balloon with a camera on it, so in real time you can see them basically rebuild everything around that town, because a lot of these homes are in the same area. Everybody, congratulations, good morning. I just want to say good morning to you. Thanks for letting us wake you guys up and stand in the yard and get everybody out of bed this morning. Let's get to the boards. One or two things going on this morning that we want to talk about. I don't even know. There's my camera. We want to talk about. There are like 30 cameras right here that we want to show you this morning. We're going to start with a flyby all across the country and basically let you know the West Coast is in really good shape. All the rain is shoving to the East Coast, but right around the Great Lakes,